while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Tommy and I's pancake. I'm not gonna use another plate. We have plate tray. This is what we're going to use. We come here, guys, we don't really do anything. We just come here to visit the house. And yeah, we don't move anything. We came here Monday and also to test the car. I don't want to make too much noise because he's still sleeping. I'm done making pancakes and Tom is still sleeping. I'm going to close this window because it's kind of cold now. So let's close this window. So I don't make any eggs because I just decided to have pancake and then the orange juice, and then I'm gonna have some syrup. Let's have syrup on my pancake. Let's put syrup on my pancake. That's it. Let's have breakfast. Yep. It is really good. And let's try the juice. It's cold, but you know what? I like hot, but it's good. Garlic? Okay. Oh, garlic powder? Okay, you're not using, you don't want me to cut the, you don't want me to cut the whole garlic thing. He woke up, guys, and after when he woke up, the first thing he grabbed is the butter and the bacon bits that he got from Costco. Let me see that. Show it to them. Because I don't cook bacon. This one, guys, the bacon crumbles. The bacon now that he did. And I see some cheese, dirty cheese he took out from the refrigerator, and I guess he's gonna add it with his bacon and egg. Oh yeah, pepper jackman. I'm just gonna make his coffee because he loves his coffee, guys. He doesn't wanna eat without coffee. I even tried don't have coffee, guys. Because Tommy told me last night that you should drink orange because for vitamin C. I don't have any vitamins. I need the vitamin D. I don't have to drink milk because I am lactose intolerant. I am, hon. Every time I drink, well, if I'm really lactose, I put that in my coffee. That means it's not good for me, right? So what time are we going to the other house? Oh. Huh?
It's relatively early.
Okay. But listen, you told me to remind you to call somebody today for the alarm system. And then you call Nancy too about you are gonna ask how much is the tinted to the car. The thing about the Subaru car, guys, it's the mirror, the glass, the windows. You don't have to tint it like dark because it's illegal here. So it's so clear that when you get out, even in the dark, you can see what's going on inside. You can see what you have in your car. You know, when you go to grocery and leave the car in the parking lot, it's not good. So that's why it's nice to tint it in the back seat more, not like crazy, like dark. And the driver and the passenger seat is like very light because cops, they don't like it. The government,
Dangerous.
huh?
Dangerous. People sit there with a gun and the cop don't see that they're holding the gun when they walk up to the car.
Yeah, so it's illegal to do but you know what, guys, it's illegal, but I saw a lot of cars on the road that it's like dark, that you can see who's inside, or if it's a woman or a man driving in the car. His creationality, you have to put this. It's already?
Yeah.
Look, that's the pepper jack. Why you put the side? Oh, that's not crunchy yet, I can tell.
That's crunchy. That'll be fine.
So, scrambled egg with the crunchy bits of bacon nuts, and pepper jars. I don't like cheese on my egg, so most American do love it. Not most, all of American. And you add more, Han? Seriously?
Yeah. Cheesy eggs.
Oh my god! And he add onion. How do you call that?
Fried onions.
Fried onions. Okay, here's your coffee. Here's your omelette. I cooked this for you, B-boy. Scrambled egg. And here's the pancakes. And here's the syrup. And this one, I'm going to return this where this belongs. See? I am going to put the curtains. I get rid of the curtains right there in the sliding door. I get rid of it, and I'm going to put the red one, because to be honest with you, this is the best curtains that Tommy and I got. It's really good material, and yeah, it's white. It's white in the other side. I don't know if I like it. I'm not sure. But I'm not sure. You guys just let me know what you think about putting both curtains, that side and this side right here. But I'm not sure anymore. We decided to put light blue see-through. That's from the other house living room. We decided to put that, and we like it actually. We're just gonna change the curtain rod. The red is very dark, maybe because we're used to the gray one right there, and we're kind of shocked the color. I'm gonna sort what I have to bring. For example, this bag is all makeup, which is, I don't, you say me, did you wear me makeup all the time? But just in case, that's why I carry that. And this bag is personal stuff. That's why this bag is old. Tommy got this from Manhattan, and everything is wrapped in stuff, you know, like this here. I have a lot of stuff that I need to like look. I have stuff in my thing that I don't even know existed. And yeah, jewelry I carry in my purse, which is ridiculous. And if I lost it, there's a key here. What the heck? It's like I don't organize my purse. And oh, there is my iPad that I don't use. This is the first Apple product that Tommy gave me. iPad music thing. I have to charge this that I can play music on. I have my watch in here, the ring that Tommy got me, and another ring, and full stamps to send mails or bills. I have to arrange this, so there's more jewelry. I don't wear jewelry often, you see me, but I have it in my purse. What the heck? I have a jewelry box, but why I have to carry it? This watch, I have to put battery that I can wear it all the time. That's everyday watch. So I have Bibles. I have 2 Bibles in my purse, New Testaments. I'm gonna bring one, and I put one in here. Hi, B-boy. Let's go. Hi guys, I just changed black shirt. It's have a long thing because it's freezing, guys. I just put my laundry down there, that when I came back here, you know, I have laundry to wash and I won't forget. Anyway, guys, I probably come back here alone. I don't know when. I hope there's no snow, there's no nothing, because I'm not gonna drive. I mean, you know, if it's heavy snow, I'm not gonna drive because I'm not used to it. I have to get used to it, and it's dangerous. The pancake that I made is still right there. Tommy doesn't eat the pancake that I made, guys. So I guess I'm gonna put it in the Ziploc and bring it back to the house. I'm probably he will eat this. So I just leave that there because maybe he will eat it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna leave this flower here. Leave that right there. And I'm going to water them. I watered this yesterday, but I guess I have to do it again because we're leaving. And of course, the soil it's a lot more now compared to before. A little bit. Hi guys, we are on the way to the house, and we stopped by somewhere because Tommy wants to smoke as usual. Guys, he's going to smoke. Oh, I can't find it. Where the heck is the sandwich? Sandwiches. So anyway guys, this is the sandwich. I'm gonna have this. The black car, or for this one I can use the old one. Huh? Oh my god, did you see that car, Han? Oh my god, it's swinging really bad. It's swinging like this, like the car is like the big truck here, and he's in the side and he's like this. Kanina lang kami nakadating dito. Is here long time ago. So nagbibake lang ako ng salmon and just sauteing zucchini. Naliligo yung asawa ko at saka nag-upload na yung yesterday's vlog. Nag-upload na processing. Mahina ang dito. Malakas namang internet noon dito. Bakit numihina siya? May nakapansin talaga, somebody noticed, may nakapansin na iba ako mag-vlog sa bahay na ito, parang patago, parang palihim. Oo na guys, alam nyo naman yung istorya, diba? So parang ganun na rin kasi ay hindi ko wag na lang. I will feed you later, okay? I'll feed you later. Okay, Rox? I will feed you later. Is that okay? I want to be in my house all the time. Gusto ko talagang sa bahay na ako, doon na ako. It's so different. Anyway, guys, I will see you later. I'm just watching few vlogs. Those people that I love watching. People that my friends on YouTube, so I watch your vlog and I just keep watching while I'm cooking and stuff like that. So yeah, and then we're gonna have dinner later and I probably see you upstairs. Hi guys, I'm going upstairs I go this way. Night night, Rocks. Night night. That's how you call bleeding?
Yeah.
You bleed the radiator.
Bleed the air out of it. But the air should come out of here, it's not coming out of there.
Oh.
If I take this out, it's going to squirt everywhere.
Oh, there's a lot of water. Oh shit. Shit, I'll go get it. There's a lot of water.
Yeah, well, the water keeps coming from the boiler. When you take out the water, it'll just push more in.
Magbabrush lang ako ng hair ko. At saka ang ginaw. Sobrang ginaw, guys. Yung hangin sa labas, grabe. It is very windy outside, and I can hear the wind like whistle, like that. The wind whistle. I'm gonna charge my phone. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this vlog, and I really appreciate, especially Dimpleert. Hi, Dimpleert. Hi, Dimps. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog. Thank you so much for watching my vlog, and I will see you tomorrow in my next vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys. Night night. Tae. Ano yung naka-auto ko na?